Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can compare the price you have received for your request for quotation, and you can check that exactly what price and at what rate they are providing. So first of all, you need to go in quotation module. On your left hand side, you will see quotation module option. Now, once you will come in quotation module, you need to select RFQ from documents. So this is one of the RFQ which I have sent to my supplier. So I will click on this RFQ. Now, this is the RFQ which was sent, and here is the price and remaining detail which is punched. So from here, you can very well go ahead and check that one of my supplier have provided me a price of this, and another supplier have provided me a price of this. So I can see that Balaji Corporation have provided me at a cheaper price. You can download summary in the Excel format as well in order to check it, and accordingly after that you can click on view sales quotation to check the entire document. So this is how you can go ahead and compare the price which you have received on your request for quotation. Have a good day ahead.